gonna say, I think the little kids are probably okay with that.
How many whacks do they get?
3.
And that shark's
That's
Okay. Okay. Good job.
No.
that's one of your
The shark will eat you.
All right, Isaac's turn.
Isaac.
You'll get another turn in a second. Isaac's turn. Okay, let me
Wait,
grab it.
is he after Isaac?
Alright, everybody back up. Isaac has a back.
There's a shark.
All right, you ready, Isaac?
When you get them eyes, will do it, then others hurt. Don't move it, Isaac.
All right, don't move it so you can't see.
You're going to hit the shark 3 times after Daddy tells you to go, okay?
All right, you ready?
Above his ear.
Not too tight.
Daddy's trying to cheat.
Trying to give Isaac
I'm not, really not.
I'm just
All right.
back up, baby.
You ready? Yeah, don't stand there. All right, you ready?
Get hit.
Hold on. Back up.
Avery.
All right, you ready? Swing.
1,
Good
There we
job.
go.
2.
Find the chopper.
Katie. You can get
One
Good
more.
job.
Yeah, good job. Alright, now,
Ella,
Noah.
it's your turn. It goes.
All right. You ready, Ella?
That's one way to get out of blindfold.
Yeah, let's make a nice
So
bill.
it doesn't matter when we hit you.
We're getting serious here.
Good job, Isaac. Where you going?
Yes, swing it.
Okay. You
Now
ready?
she knows what to do.
Hold it like that.
Avery.
And wait, back up, Avery. Wait. Okay, got it. Swing. Hey, you got it. Keep swinging. Keep swinging.
One more. Real hard.
3.
Good
Good
job.
job.
Alright, now Katie.
No, I don't want to.
You don't want to?
Oh, let me do it.
Gage's turn.
All right, Gage's
We
turn.
need to raise it for Gage, or are we leaving it?
No, you just need to back up. Everybody needs to back up, including the photographer.
Yeah, you gotta raise it up.
There you go.
All right.
Higher.
So you actually do get. You get
You gotta
Hey,
jump.
Ella, back up, sweetie. Back up.
You gotta jump.
Oh wait, one more. Okay. All right, you ready? And swing away.
Where is that?
It's up higher.
Katie. Isaac's getting harder than that.
Hey, Candy
I think the shark is hitting you harder than you're hitting it, Gage.
Oh, good one, Gage.
Go.
Nope, he's losing scales. Oh, Gage just threw his arm out of joint.
Oh!
It's coming off camouflage.
Yeah, go ahead.
Go ahead. Yeah.
All right.
Finish it!
Woo! Whoa! Yeah!
Candy.
Candy! Hurry, Isaac. Get candy.
A little big, I think.
Get candy. Pick
You
it
get
up
all
off the
that down?
ground.
Yes, I was afraid to cut it off.
Get a bag.
Hurry, Isaac.
Man, is that a banana taffy?
Woo! Yay.
Oh, Isaac, capitalize. You got a lot of candy.
Yeah, really. Pick up the candy on the ground.
I know about some nerds.
Did y'all get your little... Katie, did you give everybody a baggie? I see...
That was Katie's strategy. She hid the sandwich baggie.